We're here at the Wild Basin trailhead, winter trailhead. It's about 7:15. Maybe head to Ouzel Lake. Definitely Ouzel Falls. It's kind of cold but no wind. Should be fun. It's I said 11 degrees, 8,200 feet. This trail adds 0.7 miles one way in the winter. So an extra 1.5 miles. So I think I'm going for like 11.5 miles. And Ouzel Lake is 10,100 feet. We're at the Wild Basin trailhead. It's about a mile walk. I was able to walk in the tracks from a car up until a little before here. Gonna need to put on the snowshoes. Spikes worked pretty good on that part, but hit the campsite split. I took off my snowshoes. I don't even have spikes on. Here's the campsite split. Nobody's going that way. Let's shortcut to Thunder Lake. We're gonna turn this way. My stomach feels kind of weird. Calypso Cascades. Ouzel Falls. 4.5 miles in the winter. Trailhead of Wild Basin. We snowshoe about the last mile and a half. About 3 hours in, 1,100 feet. This last section here was rough. Look at these rocks. Great hike. As far as I'm going. It's tiring. I'm gonna hang out here, have some lunch. The 7.3 miles to here. The 2.8 miles to get here. And time is 12:12, so it took 10:50 to 10:12. 22 minutes. Out. 8.5 miles and back by 12:52. 7:26 to 12:52. We're here at the Wild Basin trailhead, winter trailhead. It's about 7:15. Maybe head to Ouzel Lake. Definitely Ouzel Falls. It's kind of cold but no wind. Should be fun. It's I said 11 degrees, 8,200 feet. This trail adds 0.7 miles one way in the winter. An extra 1.5 miles, so I think I'm going for like 11.5 miles. And Ouzel Lake is 10,100 feet.